Hello, my name's Charlie. I am obviously, as you can see, a Masters of the Universe Origins fan. I've gone a little crazy over the last couple of months collecting these, kind of with the intention of keeping them all in the box, but I've really gotten to a point where I want to open them all. I want to kind of check them all out, so I figured what better way to do that than with some unboxing videos. So I was going to kind of go through the process here. As you can see, I've got some characters, some vehicles, some minis. I've got the castle. So I'm going to kind of, over the next however long it takes, work my way through these. Today, though, we're going to start with Battle Armor He-Man. Very excited about that. Definitely had this as a kid, and I'm excited to kind of revisit that as an adult. So why don't we go ahead and get started here with the unboxing then. Alright, so here we go. I've got Masters of the Universe Battle Armor He-Man here. It's got some cool information on the back. This one is actually new for 21. A lot of them are 20, so this is one of the newer ones. As you can see, you've got the actual He-Man. Comes with a different head. He comes with 2 weapons, and then a hand that can be exchanged out so he can hold both weapons. So let's get started here. Oh, it also comes with a comic book. I'm a little nervous. This is the first of my purchases here that I've opened. Trying to do so very carefully. So here we can see comic book, just a few pages, still kind of cool. Even got some directions here as to how the hands work and how the power bolt fits on the end of the sword, which is really cool. And there we have He-Man. If I can pop the rest of these hands out of here. This is the one piece I figured would be the hardest to get out of here. Kind of rubber banded in here. Definitely feels a lot like the old ones did. And the battle armor winds up very similar to the way the old ones did. One hit gives it 1, another hit gives it 2. He definitely has a lot more bendable joints than the originals did. The legs twist. The sword seems a little lighter than the original one I remember, but it does have the ability to pop into the back. He has the ability to hold the axe or the sword. And the sword has the ability to have the power bolt attached to it. The head just kind of hard pops off. It's on a little ball joint there, and then you can pop the other head on there. kind of get an idea of the difference here. Not crazy different. I believe the left one is kind of the original style, and the right one, actually I think the right one is the original style, and the left one is the more modernized style. There were two different versions of the original character, I believe. And so that's about it here. The hand itself is also on a little joint, so you can pop the new hand on there. And he can hold both the sword and the axe at the same time. Alright, and that is the unboxing of Masters of the Universe Battle Armor He-Man. So there we have it. We've got He-Man unboxed. He's here standing next to an original Orko, which you can kind of see. I also have the new Orko off to the right there, and then the mini Orko off to the left. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video. Also keep an eye out for my upcoming podcast, Charlie and Friends. You can catch that at charliedelong.com. The link is at the end of the video. And thank you for watching.